Hi, good morning everyone. This is Bhuwana Vasishtha from Cadnest Baswanagudi. Welcome to our Cadnest YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about influence people in a positive way. So, most of us have someone in our lives who positively influences us. The truth is, positively influencing people is about centering the humanity of others. Chances are you know someone who is really good at making others feel like stars. They can get you to do things that the average person cannot give you. Where the request of others sounds like fingernails on a chalkboard, the request from the special person sounds like music to your ears. You're delighted to not only listen but also you will respect those words. So, how to influence people in a positive way? If you are curious about how to positively influence people, let's discuss the steps one after the other. Be authentic. To influence people in a positive way, we should be authentic. Rather than being a carbon copy of someone else's version of authenticity, uncover what it is that makes you unique. Discover your unique, take an issue, and then live up to and honor that. One of the reasons social media influences are also very powerful. Contradictions bothers us because we crave stability. When someone professes to be one way but lives contrary to that profession, it signals that they are confused or untrustworthy and thereby inauthentic. Neither of these combinations bode well for positively influencing others. Listen, growing up to positively influence others, you must listen to what is spoken and what is left unsaid. Therein lies the explanation for what people need in order to feel validated, supported, and seen. If a person feels they are invisible and unseen by their superiors, they are less likely to be positively influenced by that person. Listening meets a person's primary need of validation and also acceptance. Become an expert. Most people are predisposed to listen to, if not respect authority. If you want to positively influence others, become an authority in the area in which you seek to lead others. Research and read everything you can about the given topic and then look for opportunities to put your education into practice. You can argue over opinions. You cannot argue, or it is unwise to argue over facts, and experts come with fact. Lead with story. So, from many years of working in public relations, I know that the personal narratives, testimonials, and impact stories are incredibly powerful. But I never cease to be amazed with how effective a well timed and told story can be. If you want to influence people, learn to tell stories. Your stories should be related to the issue or concept you are discussing. There should be an analogy that explains your topic in ordinary terms and in vivid detail. Lead by example. It is incredibly inspiring to watch passionate, talented people at work or play. So, one of the reasons a person who is not an athlete can be athletic prowess is because human nature appreciates the extraordinary always. When we watch the Olympics, Olympic trials, gymnastic competitions, ice skating, and other competitive sports, we can recognize the effort of people who day in and day out give their all. So, case in the point, we celebrate remarkable accomplishments and believe that their example is proof that we too can accomplish something great. Even if it is not qualifying for Olympics, to influence people in a positive way, we must lead by example, lead with intention, and execute with excellence. So, with this, I am completing my session here. Thank you.